Yo, welcome back to the video. So today, as you can tell, I am not in the house that I film all my videos in. Well, I moved. Boom! I am in my new house. This is my kitchen right here. I can spin around all day. Eat. Oh God, I'm falling off. Sorry, I haven't been. Ow! All right, well, this is my living room. Now, we only slept here for 2 days, but I mean, I got this house like 4 days ago and we started moving stuff in, as you can tell. But, well, these are the seats. Aw, man. You can tell me right after. Well,